My name is Linda Johnson. I grew up in upstate New York, where I first started to cook at the age of 10. I then moved to Texas, where I enjoyed comfort foods such as barbecue and brisket. When I lived in Northern California, I found the bright, fresh flavors of food. In Georgia is where Southern food is its finest, is what I found. Then I moved to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, on Hatteras Island. I learned seafood dishes served in coastal communities. Now I live in Albemarle, North Carolina, and I invite you to my kitchen. Hi everyone, and welcome back to From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. My name is Linda Johnson, and I'll be your host today. Today we are going to make sides. We're going to make a couple of sides for if you have to have a backyard barbecue. Maybe you're going to somebody's house for a barbecue, maybe a potluck. These are great things you can taste. We're going to make two of them today. The first one is going to be Italian confetti pasta salad. Now this is a serving for 6, and I figured out all the ingredients, and it cost approximately $8 maximum for a serving of 6. So that's not bad. Under $10 I think is good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, and I have already cooked the pasta and have that over there cooling off just a little bit. This salad is best if it's served chilled. So after we get done, we'll put it in the refrigerator until it's time to eat. So we're going to go ahead and take 1 cup of mayonnaise. 1 cup. Guess maybe I should have had this in the little thing first, but you never see me actually put this stuff in here, so I thought, well, maybe I'll let you see it today. So this one is light mayonnaise. So this is not really too bad. The pasta that I cooked is tri-colored rotini pasta. It takes 2 cups of cooked pasta, and it is spinach and tomato. So, and it's going to look real pretty. I think that's why they call it confetti. So we'll go ahead and put that in our bowl. We're making a dressing for it. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar to it. And the reason I'm making the full recipe today is because this is something I could probably eat every day. So leftovers will be good. I forgot the salt. It does call for a little bit of salt. I usually don't salt stuff too much. And pepper. And then we're going to add 1 clove of garlic. Minced. I'm actually using real garlic this time. 1 clove. And you're going to whisk it together. That's going to be our dressing. Just get it all, incorporate it all together real good. Now we're going to add a little bit of basil. It said fresh basil leaves, but I didn't have any. So I think that'll be just fine. So next thing we're going to do is add our vegetables in. We've got half a cup of tomatoes cut up, a half a cup of yellow bell pepper, I think I need that in there, and a half a cup of sliced black olives. And I bought the small can, but apparently that's a cup of olives, so I only had to use a half can. Next thing you're going to add is the pasta. So I already have that cooking all done over here. Said to do 2 cups. Not sure if this was 2 cups, but it looks like it might be. I took it out, rinsed it in cold water. That's why we have a mess here. Stir gently until mixed. Makes quite a bit, really. I mean, it'd be great to take or have for your own barbecue, backyard barbecue. It looks really good. So this has probably taken me less. Well, I boiled the pasta for 10 minutes. I mean, 8 minutes. I'm sorry. So I've actually been able to put this together. Had everything all pre-chopped. Probably 20 minutes. You could put this together. It'd be nice and refreshing. I mean, you could add, if you don't like black olives, you could add green olives. Maybe add some onion. It didn't call for onion, but I bet that would be good. So there you have it. That's the pasta salad. Italian confetti pasta salad. Okay, in a minute we'll go ahead and start on the other salad we're going to make. It's called a creamy grape salad, which I'm sure all of you have had at a picnic, or maybe you've even made it. So I've made it only once. I guess it was so good because when I took it to the event, I never did get my bowl back. So I guess everybody liked it. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started on our creamy grape salad. And I'm sure some of you have made this, or you've eaten it at a barbecue or picnic sometime. But now I did cut this recipe in half. And the original recipe makes 24 servings. There's no way that my husband and I could eat 24 servings of this. So everything I've cut in half. So instead of a whole block of cream cheese, we're just going to use a half. And we're going to use 1/2 cup of sour cream, which had originally called for a cup. Now this recipe, when you cut it in half, cost about $8 to make as well. So it's not bad. So I guess that'd be a serving of 12, but this is a nice, refreshing, I call it a dessert, but so we're going to put a 1/2 cup of cream cheese in there. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons. It calls for 1/3 cup of sugar, so I just figured out what it was. So 1/3 cup would be 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons. Okay, Okay, I'm going to go ahead and beat it with a mixer, so we'll be right back. Okay, we have that all beat. It's nice and creamy. Looks good. So that is sour cream, cream of cheese, a little bit of sugar, and vanilla. Now all we do is add grapes. It calls for red and green grapes. Just mix those all up. Just coat it real good. Toss to coat. I think I need another spoon. This would really be good with nuts in it too. But it does say before you serve it to top it with a little bit of brown sugar and some chopped pecans. I think I've made a little mess of the bowl itself. I like to make it a little bit presentable. So there you have it. Creamy grape salad. Looks really good. So I think we need to try a little bit. Now remember, this I cut in half. Originally it made 24 servings. You can make this for a maximum, if you cut it in half, for $8. Then we have our Italian confetti pasta salad. I did make the full recipe on that, and it was probably cost also less than $8. So that's not bad. I got out 2 plates, but I guess I can put it all on the same plate. We're going to try some. This also tastes better if it's put in the refrigerator. So you have your pasta salad, and you have your creamy grape salad. 2 sides that you can take to a picnic or a barbecue. We're going to try the pasta salad. Tastes really good, and I can taste that garlic. I love garlic. And then you have your creamy grape salad. That's really good too. It's refreshing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you can make these. You can take 2 sides to a benefit or a picnic or something. Family's house or in your own backyard for barbecue. But they're real easy to make and not expensive to make. Just kind of remember to chill it before you take it. They should be chilled first, I think. It tastes better. So I hope you had a chance to watch some of our other episodes. Last week was the Bang Bang Shrimp. And if you missed any episodes, you can watch them on YouTube at East Tennessee TV Productions. Or you can go on my Facebook page from my kitchen to your kitchen, and the videos are listed there. So we've made about 20 some different dishes so far this year, so that's pretty good. So I hope you have a rest of your week is really good, and today's Friday, and the weekend's right here now coming up. So have fun, be safe, and we'll see you next time on From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. And remember, let's make cooking fun. Okay?